Hey everybody, so I'm back at one of my old haunts really. Haven't been here for a couple of months. One of my favourite places close to where I live. And I haven't been out for ages, what with my son's sport, baseball, football, all that kind of stuff, tennis, or just not had the time. But it seems I've picked the warmest day in August so far. Go figure, right? So what I thought I'd do today is see if my 150 to 600 can do any kind of close-up shot, any kind of macro shot I can do. And whilst I'm about it, capture any footage, anything nice, anything sort of around it. I don't expect too much because it's really, really hot and the foliage is quite high, even though it's now getting towards the middle of the sort of afternoon, sort of towards tea time. So let's go and have a look, shall we? Let's go and see what we can find. Okay, so I've come to the conclusion I'm not going to get in that nature reserve bit. You can see, it's taking me out off. It's a bit warm. Lugging camera gear about. There we go. Things you do for your art, right? But behind me, I just saw a pair of roe deer horns go up. That's the reason why I'm not moving anywhere. So you can sort of see behind me now, behind the camera. They went down. The wind is blowing from them to me. So they can't smell me. I don't know whether or not they heard me, but I didn't dare move. And the wind's not carrying my sound, so how long do I wait? Is it gone down? Has it crept through without me seeing? I don't know. Let's see if I wait a bit. Well, just see a lovely heron. I was going to try and get some footage of it. I got a couple of photos, hopefully, balancing on a buoy. There's some lads sort of jumping in and diving in or into the reservoir off the inlet pier at the top of the reservoir. And one of them jumped in and it was off. It took off and I didn't have a chance really to mount it to the tripod to get anything. A couple of butterflies close ups. I'm hoping it's worked. I'll tell you what sort of settings I was using in a bit, and I'll put them in the pictures as well. You might be able to hear those lads in the background. They're just enjoying the summer sun, right? Well, there's a wisteria a little bit further up. I'm hoping there's some butterflies on, but if they're too close to that, I won't get over there. It sounds like they've got music playing and There might be 2 parts to the wind, and they're complaining about a big fish. So let's see what we do. There's a couple of fly catchers behind me on a tree right up. You see the camera's angled up there. I think I've got a couple of photos, but I'm trying to get some footage if I can. It's making the old neck ache a little bit. Nice to watch, really cool. So yeah, I believe that this works. On the walk down to the car, I'll give you a rough idea of settings and what have you in the outro. So what's the verdict then? You know something? I think it worked. I've got to get them on the computer to make sure, but full 600mm, 1600ths of a second, because I was using handheld all the time. Probably lower that on a tripod. I didn't try it, it was handheld all the time. Only a short one today. I only went to the top and back. The bud lid was cut down, so no butterflies over on that top end. I got a few butterflies, and hopefully you've seen them or are seeing them. So that's it, guys. Just a short one today. The 150 to 600 can do small stuff. It really can. It's hard work because it's heavy, and you've got to put it on a tripod, or if you're handheld, you've got to stand like a rock, but it can do it. So guys, please like, subscribe, hit the dingly bell. You want to see more, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.